Right now I'm going to sew the sleeve darts. Please remember that everything is on bias. Adjust your behavior and handling of this part accordingly. Meaning, no stretching, pulling, any hard handling. Stitch to the point, finish, remove the pins. You got your finished dart. Do the same thing with the second one. Place your needle right at the notches. Secure your stitch. Find your dot and go straight towards it without stretching or pulling your piece, like this, like so. You got your second dart sewn. Repeat the same thing on all 3 remaining parts of the dress. Now that your darts have been stitched, press them on the edge. Make sure they're nice and sharp. After this, use your pressing ham and press the seam allowances away from each other towards the seams of the sleeve. Try not to distort the sleeve. After this, you will have to top stitch the seam allowances to the sleeve, making a little square angle towards the seam. After you finish the top stitching, make sure you press everything to make it nice and flat and ready for the next step.